Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you ED power flow trailing edge detection instruction in INVT PLC. In the previous video, we discussed about that EU power flow rising edge detection. Now in this video, we will work out at the ED power flow trailing edge detection and how we can use and what's the function of this command. Let's start. First of all, I will take one X0 open contact and now we will use this trailing edge detection. Drop and drag this command here, and next we will take one output, or we will use this set command, because of if we use the M0, it's okay. If we use the directly physical output, it will be not shown, because of this is the microseconds only pulse. It will trailing the pulse. Only difference between what's the trailing and this rising. This means ED means down edge detection, and this is the rising edge detection. EU means up power. So in next row we will take one more open contact. This address we will give the X1, and here also we will take the trailing edge detection, and next we will take the reset command, and number same we will give M0 and click OK. And in the next row we will take the open contact of the M0 and click it OK, and we will take the one physical output Y0 for an example. And when we give the signal at X0, after our Y0 will be set, and when we give the signal at X1, our Y0 will be reset. So this program we will be download into the PLC. Click it here and yes, and again click it on the download, and as this download progress will be completed, click yes, and now we will monitor the program. And now what's the basic difference, that's I like to show in the this falling edge and this rising edge. In the rising edge, when we gives the signal at X0, after our M0 will be set. But in this trailing edge, when we release the signal, for an example, now I will give the signal, you will be see now signal is ready, but our M0 is still not set. Why? Because of this is we are using the trailing edge detection. As I release the signal, after you will be see our output is now on, and same function will be repeat as we press the X1. See, now signal is ready, but our output is still not reset. Why not reset? Because of we are using this trailing edge detection. As I release the signal, after our output will be reset. Again I will press the X0. You can see this is output is still not set, but as I release the signal, output will be set. And same as I give the signal at X1, you can see output is still not reset, and as I release the signal, after output will be reset. So this is the basic difference in the trailing edge and rising edge. So hope guys you will be understand about this falling edge and trailing edge. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.